Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that you are well at your home. Now I am going to teach you remaining part of fourth chapter, a question of trust. It was quite kindly voice, but one with firmness in it. So the narrator said that Horace Denby said that what happened. The voice of the lady was very kind. Kind means sweet, but there was some strictness in the voice. What do you mean by firmness? Means strictness. A woman was standing in the doorway and Sherry was rubbing against her. So Sherry the dog was expressing his movement. Okay, rubbing means expressing his movement towards the lady. It means कि जब कोई मालिक के साथ में कोई डॉग मिलता है तो ही जस्ट स्टार्ट्स क्रिएटिंग सम फनी मोमेंट फनी एक्टिविटी. ठीक है. सो द डॉग वाज स्टार्टेड रबिंग अगेंस्ट द लेडी एंड ही वाज ट्राइंग टू शो दैट यू आर माई ओनर. ठीक है. और वो द लेडी वाज ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू शो हॉरेस डेनबे दैट रियली आई एम द ओनर ऑफ द हाउस. शी वॉज young, quite pretty, beautiful. The lady was young, beautiful, and dressed in red. She was wearing red dress. She walked to the fireplace and straightened the ornament there, or the jewelries, okay, which were lying on the table. She just adjusted the jewelries. So the lady went to fireplace, okay, and she adjusted. What do you mean by straightened? Means adjusted the jewelry, okay. So in this way the lady wanted to show that she was the owner of the house. Down Sherry, she said, anyone would think I had been away for a month. So the lady was saying that people will think that I had been away for a month. Away means I just went out of the house. अब वो कहती है कि कोई भी सोचता होगा कि शायद मैं घर से बाहर चली गई. तो शी वांटेड टू शो टू हॉरेस डेनबे दैट रियली शी इज़ द ओनर ऑफ द हाउस. She smiled at Horace and went on. Went on means she kept on speaking. However, I came back just in time, though I did not expect to meet a burglar. So, what do you mean by a burglar? Thief. Okay, the lady said that I did not think, expect means think, that I did not think that I will meet a thief. Horace had some hope because she seemed to be amused. Amused means happy. Amused means happy at meeting at him. So narrator said that Horace was hopeful and he was thinking the lady was looking very happy. ठीक है. ही माइट अवॉइड ट्रबल इफ़ ही ट्रीटेड हर द राइट वे. अब वो सोच रहा था कि अगर उसने उसको ढंग से ट्रीट किया, if his behavior towards the lady was good, so definitely she will help him in escaping from the house. ठीक है. He replied, Horace said, I did not expect to meet one of the family. That I also did not think that I will be meeting a family member. ठीक है. I thought that the house is empty, so that's why I entered the house. She nodded. Nodded means moving, shaking her head. She said, yes. I see what an inconvenience it is for you to meet me. Now, inconvenience means uncomfortableness, facing problem. So, the lady said to Horace that you felt some problem because of me. What are you going to do? So she said to Horace Denby that what are you doing here? Horace said, my first thought was to run. First of all, I wanted to run away from the house. Of course, you could do that. So the lady said that could do, you could run away. But I would telephone the police and tell them all about you. They would get you at once. So get you at once means just arrest you. Okay. So the narrator said, Horace Denby said that I wanted to run away from the house. मैं यहाँ से भाग जाऊँगा. तो lady said to Horace Denby, if you run away, then I will call the police and police will come and the police will arrest you. Horace said, I would of course cut the telephone wires first. First of all, I will cut the telephone wire, and then he hesitated. A smile on his face. उसके चेहरे के ऊपर एक smile आई. I would make sure that you could do nothing for some time. ठीक है, a few hours would be enough. अब हॉरिस इतने कॉन्फिडेंस से कहता है, वो कहता है कि मुझे विश्वास है कि आप ऐसा कुछ नहीं करेंगे और you will help me in escaping from the house. She looked at him seriously. Means the lady was very serious. You would hurt me. तो वो कहती है कि क्या आप मुझे नुकसान पहुंचाएंगे ऐसा करके. You will hurt me. Hurt means that you will trying to uh, you will try to threat me. You will try to kill me. ठीक है. What will you do? तो she is asking to Horace Denby that what will you do? What is your planning? Horace paused and then said, I think I was trying to frighten you when I said. So Horace said that I was trying to panic you. Frighten means panic you. You didn't frighten me. So she said that no, you did not frighten me. Horace suggested it would be nice if you would forget you ever saw me, let me go. अब Horace उसको कहता है कि भूल जाओ कि आपकी कभी मेरे से मुलाकात हुई थी and you let me go. I will go from this house. The voice was suddenly sharp. It means sharp means very very strict. Okay. The lady became very very strict. Why should I? The lady said to Horace Denby, why should I let you go? You were going to rob means it's like loot or you can say cheat me. वो कहती है कि you were going to cheat me. If I let you go, you will only rob someone else. तो वो कहती है कि अगर मैंने आपको यहाँ से जाने दिया घर से तो you will cheat anybody else. Society must be protected means saved from men like you. कि आप जैसे इंसान से तो समाज की रक्षा करनी चाहिए. इट मीन्स सोसाइटी मस्ट बी सेव्ड फ्रॉम यू, from men like you because you are a thief. So Horace smiled. I am not a man who threatens society. अब हॉरेस कहता है कि मैं ऐसा आदमी नहीं हूँ जो समाज को डराता हूँ. I steal only from those who have a lot of money. Horace said that I steal money from the house of rich people only. I steal for a very good reason. Okay? So here, dear student, good reason is very very important word. So Horace Denby said that I steal only for purchasing new books. And I hate the thought of prison. Prison means jail. Horace said that I don't want to go to jail. She laughed. The lady laughed and he begged. And Horace requested to the lady, thinking that he had persuaded her. Persuade means convince. ठीक है. अब वो उसे रिक्वेस्ट करता है हॉरेस डेनबे उस लेडी से, और वो कहता है कि वो सोचता है कि उसने उसको कन्विंस किया. Look, I have no right to ask you for anything, but I am desperate. Desperate means helpless. So Horace Denby said that I don't have right to ask you, but I am helpless. Let me go. Please permit me to leave this house, and I promise never to do this kind of thing again. Ab Horace said that I will not again enter any house. I really mean it. Okay, so here Horace Denby is giving assurance to the lady, please let me go, मुझको यहाँ से जाने दीजिए, and I will not do such kind of mischievous activity again. She was silent. The lady was silent, watching him closely. Closely means very, very nervously. She was watching. Then she said, "You are really afraid of going to prison, aren't you?" अब वो कहती है कि क्या आपको जेल जाने से डर लगता है? डर नहीं लगता आपको? She came over to him, shaking her head. Shaking means just started moving. Okay. So the lady came very close to Horace Denby and said, "I have always liked the wrong kind of people." अब वो लेडी कहती है हॉरेस डेनबे से कि मुझे आप जैसे लोग ही तो पसंद है. I just liked the people who just cheat others. So here, dear student, why did the lady say this word? Because she wanted to compel Horace Denby to open the safe, and she wanted to grab all the money. She picked up a silver box. Pick means she took up a silver box from the table and took a cigarette from it. ठीक है. Horace, eager to please her, eager means wanted to make happy, please means happy. So Horace Denby wanted to make her happy, and seeing that she might help him, took off his gloves. अब Horace Denby removed, took off means just removed his gloves and gave her his cigarette lighter. ठीक है. So here what is important, the important moment is the Horace Denby removed his gloves and he just provided cigarette lighter to the lady. तो यहाँ से हमें ये पता लगता है कि हॉरेस डेनबे कितना केयरलेस आदमी था. और यहीं से उसके जो फिंगरप्रिंट्स हैं इट विल लाई ऑन द on locker. So that's why later on he will be arrested. You will let me go. He held the lighter towards her. उसने उसके सामने लाइटर रखा और कहा कि प्लीज़ लेट मी गो. Yes, but only if you will do something for me. The lady said, you have to do something for me. Anything you say. Before we left for London, now the lady said कि लंदन जाने से पहले I promised my husband to take my jewels to bank. ठीक है कि I promised my husband that I will take all the jewelry and I will deposit all the jewelry to bank. But I left. But unfortunately I forgot these jewelry at this home. I want to wear them to a party tonight, so I came down to get them. ठीक है. वो कहती है कि आज रात पार्टी में मुझको ये पहननी है ज्वेलरी, इसलिए मुझको ये लेनी है. ठीक है. Horace smiled. You have forgotten the numbers to open the safe, haven't you? अब हॉरिस थोड़ा सा स्माइल पास करता है. वो कहता है कि आई थिंक यू हैव फॉरगॉटन द नंबर ऑफ द सेफ. ठीक है. तो अगर सेफ का नंबर याद नहीं है तो आई विल हेल्प यू. यस रिप्लाइड द यंग लेडी. शी सेड यस आई फॉरगॉट. दिस इज़ व्हाट शी वांटेड. जस्ट लीव इट टू मी एंड यू विल हैव देम विद इन एन आवर. वो हॉरिस कहता है कि विद इन एन आवर आई विल हेल्प यू, बट आई विल हैव टू ब्रेक योर सेफ, बट आई विल ओपन योर सेफ. सेफ मीन्स लॉकर. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. द लेडी सेड डोंट वरी, यू जस्ट ओपन द सेफ, ओपन द लॉकर. माई हस्बैंड वॉन्ट बी हेयर फॉर ए मंथ. कि एक महीने तक माई हस्बैंड विल नॉट कम and I will have the safe mended by that time. Mended means repair. ठीक है. तो वो कहती है कि I will repair my locker, okay, and by 1 month my husband will not come. And within an hour Horace opened the safe, given her the jewels and gone away happily. So Horace Denby opened the locker within an hour and handed over the jewelry to the lady, okay, and he went away. For 2 weeks he kept his promise to the young lady. ठीक है. For 2 weeks Horace Denby was very sincere towards the lady. On the morning of the third day, however, he thought of books he wanted. तो हॉरेस डेनबी के दिमाग में एक प्लान आता है कि क्यों ना मैं दोबारा से फिर वो रॉबरी को एग्जीक्यूट करूं. And he knew he would have to look for another safe, so that's why he was thinking for another save, another locker. But he never got the chance to begin his plan. लेकिन उसको ऐसा करने का मौका नहीं मिला. He did not get the chance. ठीक है. execute his planning. By noon, a policeman had arrested him for the jewel robbery at Shotover Grange. By noon, a policeman came to arrest Horace Denby for committing jewel robbery at Shotover Grange. Okay, so dear student, here one thing is very very important, that Horace Denby has been arrested by the police for committing jewel robbery at Shotover Grange. His fingerprints, for he had opened the safe without gloves, were still over the room, and no one believed him when he said that the wife of the owner of the house had asked him to open the safe. अब उसके जो fingerprints थे that were lying on the locker, and उसने ये कहा कि the owner of the house had told me to open the safe, लेकिन उसकी बात पे किसी ने विश्वास नहीं किया. None of the people believed upon his story. ठीक है. The wife herself, a grey-haired, sharp-tongued woman of 60. So actually the real owner of the house was a lady. She was 60 years old, and she said that the story was a nonsense. तो उस औरत ने कहा कि he is telling a lie, the story is nonsense. Okay, I haven't told him to open the safe. Horace is now assistant librarian in the prison. Now Horace has been sent to jail and he is serving as a assistant librarian. He often thinks of the charming means beautiful, clever young lady. अब वो उस ब्यूटीफुल औरत के बारे में कभी कभी सोचता है, who was in the same profession, ठीक है, who was also thief as he was, and who tricked him. Tricked means who just cheat him. Now Horace was thinking about the beautiful lady who was in the same profession and who just cheated him. He gets very angry when anyone talks about honor among thieves. So Horace becomes angry when people say that there must be honor among thieves, there must be trust among thieves. Okay, so dear student, you have seen in the last, Horace Denby has been arrested by the police for committing jewel robbery at Shotover Grange. और जब उसने अपने आप को जस्टिफाई किया कि आई एम नॉट द थीफ, आई डिड नॉट open the jewel robbery on myself, I was asked by the owner of the house, तो उसकी बात पर किसी ने विश्वास नहीं किया. None of the people had trusted upon his words. Even the real owner of the house said that he is telling a lie. So dear student, in this way he got arrested. Okay, I hope that you understand the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.